Friends, good evening. Welcome to today's video lesson. This is CH Narsaya, Senior Lecturer in English, SG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Today we are going to discuss about uh, interview skills or interview techniques. Objectives of this video, objectives of this lesson, um, we have to acquire the skills, how we have to face the interview confidently, how we have to success in an interview. So these are the points are there. So interview skills. Before that, I would like to uh, discuss with you objectives of interview. So learn the techniques to face an interview. We have to learn techniques how to face an interview. What are the techniques we have to follow? What we have to learn? The techniques we have to learn. Next, learn the etiquette to communicate with the employers. Etiquette means politeness. How we have to be behave with employers. How we have to communicate with the employer. That's important. So the etiquette is very important. The politeness is very important. How we have to behave with the employer and interview persons also. Next, know how to make PPTs effective. This is also one part. So next, know how to use appropriate body language in an interview. What type of body language we have to use? That's very important for interview. Body language sends a lot of signals. Without speaking, we can send thousands of meanings with our body language. Body language is very important in interview. Next, learn to face interview technically. How we have to face interview technically. That's very important. Gain the confidence to face an interview by attending mock interview. Gain the confidence to face an interview by attending mock interview. That's very important. If we attend mock interviews, we will get a lot of confidence. That is before going to be attend an virtual interview, we have to be attend mock interviews. So interview, before that I would like to tell that I would like to ask you, what do you mean by interview? Interview means face to face. The skills, they will check the skills. What will they check? What will the qualities, what type of amenities or qualities have to be have upcoming employees. That's very important. So interview skills, if we any person have interview skills, he will win the job offers. So there are innovative way we have to be approach in an exciting approach to developing our interview skills and techniques. We have to develop whatever that we have the remaining with our life, rest of the life. Before we have to learn, and next after getting job we have to learn the skills. So we have to improve the chances. If we learn the skills, we will our chances will improve to get job. So jobs are very rare, less, and employees unemployed are more. That's why we have to win the chances to be learn how to get a job. So we have to be that's if you learn the skills, interview skills, that will reward for your life career. So you have to remember, interviews is a process of selection, right person for right job for right time. Is a very important. Two-way, it is communication is interview. It's a two-way communication. How we have to be? They will evaluate the employer, how you are going to be work in their company, what type of skills you have. They will check it all things. Their commitment, your communication skills, everything will be checked in the interview. So interview is a kind of self-evaluation. How your present and past experience relate the position. The present and past position about it relates. Your current and future career goals also they will check. And what skills are you are expertise, what skills and expertise in your phone. Next, skills that would like to develop to improve, skills that would like to improve yourself. Location, salary, lifestyle, priorities, very very important. Past experiences you want to be highlight such as volunteer work, hobbies, that's so techniques to face interview, how to first of all. So what type of techniques we will discuss first. In our present slide we are going to discuss a definition of interview. So definition means interview means face to face communication. Interview means face to face. So that's very very the old and popular meaning for interview. Of course, there are many types of interviews now came up due to advantage of technology to development of technology. There are many types of interviews are there. Direct face to face interview, telephonic interview. Next, um, say Skype and with the technology they will check out. Google, nowadays one trend is techniques Google Meet interview, also Zoom, they are conducting interview. So definition actually the interview definition is face to face. Now types of interviews: face to direct interview, Google telephonic interview, so and Skype interview, and these types of interviews. Preparation for interviews also there. How we have to prepare for interview, that's important. If anyone is going to attend interview, certainly he will prepare something. Certainly prepare something for interview. He prepare himself for the interview. How he is going to be perform in the interview. How he will anticipate the questions. What are the questions are going to be asked in the interview. How he has to be answered. So everyone makes in his plan. So same way preparation is very very important for interview to be success. With having a efficient plan, with a right preparation, a person can attend, person can success in interview. So the performance during and after interviews, they will discuss the performance during interview, how we have to behave, how we have to greet the interviewers, how we have to greet the board members, and after in the completion of interview, how we have to convey the thanks, and how we have to leave the hall. Before interview, how we have to enter the interview hall. There are many things involved in the interview. So we don't take interview is a casual. We take it serious to be it. You feel that it in the interview your future behind it, your future compressed in your interview. How you face interview, your future. If you face interview successfully, your life will be successful. You will get job and your performance will be assessed, and you feel confident. You will get the job also. So interview is very very important in any employer, any upcoming employer. An employee's life is interview is very very important. Uh, some types of interviews also there. Types of interviews already I told. The types of interviews: telephonic interviews, face to face interview, the job interviews, and promotive purpose the interviews, the walk to walk, that's what sort of interview, Skype mode interview. There are many things are behind it. So as well as we are going to be discuss what are the do's and don'ts in the interview, what we have to do, what should not do in the interview. That's we have to learn. We are going to learn in interview. Next, as well as what are the important questions going to be asked. We have to be anticipate the questions what they will ask the interview. The questions are going to be asked by the interview board members. That's we have to be anticipate the answers. If you prepare in well advance, you can answer them very well. The questions asked by the interview board members. That's very very important. You have to think of the questions, anticipating questions in the interview. So interview is makes a crucial role. It has a crucial role. It has very uh, vital, and it's mandatory for it to be become an employee, whether it is in a government or private organizations. Interviews are playing a very important role in the interviews. Next, important job sites also very we have to go through before going to be attend an interview. So here, interview means face to face. Types of interview: Skype interview, direct interview, telephonic interview. Next, how we have to prepare and how we have to be get ready for interview. How we have to groom ourselves to be look good for the interviewers. What type of dress we have to wear going to be, but what type of testimonials, I mean certificates you have to carry, the preparation, what you have to keep it ready, and how, the mode of transport, how you are going to reach the interview venue. These are all things we have to prepare before the going to be attend interview. The performance also very important. If you perform well, your interview will be success. So if you success, your career will be successful. So if you your career will be good and you are will be happy in the entire life. So in the interview, behind the interview, there some lives are there, some tips for interview. We have to learn what we have to do, what should not do, the do's and don'ts we have to learn. So interview questions also we have to prepare. So before that, so next, the techniques we are going to be discussing the next. Now we are going to be discuss about interview. Interview, a meeting of minimum two expert candidates. Meeting two experts candidates, going you are going to meet two experts, at least minimum two members. It's not a single person, maybe may not assessed properly. That's why interview will be conducted minimum two, I think maximum three, four, five, they can based on the size. But minimum two board members are there, interviewers are there. Next, arrange it to examine the suitability of the candidates, whether the person is suitable for this job, whether the person has the qualities possessed or not. Does he possess the qualities to perform this job? Whether he is a suitable person, whether he is the right person for this job, they are going to be assessed, they are going to be examined in the interview. How is he suitable or not suitable? So the candidates, how he fits or he may not fit for the job, they will attest. So interview purpose is right in the right time, right candidate is for the right job. That's if it is a right candidate at the right time in the right job, you will be selected. That company will be thrives. The company will develop certainly. So the wrong candidate will be selected for the wrong time for the right company. The company will be collapses. That's we have to think of. Next, tested for the subject knowledge, whether the person is aspirant has the subject or not, whether he has sufficient knowledge for this job or not. They have to check the knowledge. Skills also, whether the person has skills to he can handle the job or not. We can assess the skills also. Next, desired behavior. The person's how he behaves with his employer, his colleagues, and so they have the accepted behavior. The accepted behavior, whether the upcoming employee, whether he possessed or not, that going to be discussed. That going to be tested in the interview. In a very limited time, they will be assessed whether is a person is suitable for that certain post or not. Very related. Of course, that's purpose only that interview will be constituted 3 or 4 members. One person may be psychologist, one person may be subject expert, one person may be representative of that company. So these are all psychologists. Everyone, this company may be, the interview board may be comprising it. So the skills, knowledge, and the desired behavior, whether the person has or not, whether he has a limited time within the limited time. Types of interview also we are going to discuss. So one is the first panel interview. The panel interview is very important. The panel interview, that is some group of interviewers. They will be observe. They will observe the interviewers, and they will uh, group of teams also sometimes, and they will assess, they will conduct the interview. There are more experts, sit across the table. There are many, the panel interviews, I mean, many candidates are there. From the candidates, he has to be sit, and there are many in the opposite, there are many experts will be sit, and the panels like will, they'll ask one by one questions. They will ask the questions, they will assess the candidates, they'll check the candidates, uh, those who are attending for interview. That's important. That is called a panel interview. Next, face to face interview, the one interviewer, one candidate interview. The panel interview, there are some many persons are there, the interviewers, and face to face, one interviewer and one candidate. That is a second type of interview. Next, formal in nature. How you are, nature should be for an interview. How you have to behave in interview. That's going to be discussed in the interview. So hence I would like to discuss here the less distance between interviewer and a candidate also important to be create a good rapport to be answer the questions asked in the interview board or not. So to create, if the rapport will be created between the interview and interviewer, there will be a good understanding. I think their opinion will be sync, and they will, the desired qualities they can check easily. So distance may be interviewer, maybe acceptable distance, maybe 1 meter or 2 meters, maybe their voice should be audible, and they have can see the interview board can see the interview, those who came, the candidate. That's very very important. The distance, if the person, the interviewer maybe in interviewers are at their table, the interviewer maybe of in other room, or maybe 4 or 5 kilometers distant, 4 or 5 meters away, that may not be as a good interview. So that they can observe, the interviewers can observe the facial feelings and body language of the candidate. That should be, that's why 1 or 2 meters based on that distance, that should be easily to audible and to assess the candidate. So that's important. So interviewer, next, formal in nature. Interview is in a formal in nature. That's we have to think, how we have to feel. Though we should not think about the interview is going on, they have to create the normal atmosphere that to be assess the candidates with that. So we should not make them to scare. It's an interview, how to behave this like this and that. So the desired behavior, it has to be inbuilt, it has to be learn the techniques, not for the certain only the day, for the entire, for his career and future. Next, that's important. Less distance between interviewer and candidate is very very desirable. So that may be an acceptable distance. Less distance is good. Next, less stressful and relaxed environment is important. The candidate and interviewers are never, they should not feel stressed. If you feel stress, a candidate may feel stressed. He doesn't able to give answers to the questions asked by the interview board member. That's why he has to be feel relaxed. That environment may be comfortable to him. He has to feel that the panel interview, they have to feel while they are observing him. He is a cool man. He is an observing. He is cool and he can answer, and he can. Is a worker. Is a intelligent. Is a work colleague. That type of assumptions they have to come to a decision. So that's why they have to be feel very comfortable. So next, the prior interview. Before interview, what we have to do? The prior interview is very very important. Maybe 1 day before or 2 day before or something. Before going to be apply for a job, what things we have to be do before interview? Generally, we used to apply for a job with we send our resume or CV for a job. In any job, we send our educational details, and we add our testimonial certificates, and we think like this. We had, we first of all we put up a application along with our CV, and we will keep our skills and likes and dislikes in that application. So know the company, where the company is there. You have to research about the company, where it was where it was located, and what sort of product they will produce. That's important, whether they are a software product or a grocery product or something leather product. If the interview, the candidate must know about the little bit of he has to research the background of company, the product of company, the nature of the company, where it was located, the company, location of company, and this a little bit he has to be study about the about that company which is going to be joined, which for which job is going to be joined. He has to be think of it. Next, go to the company website. The company website, we have to see the, we can see we can come to a conclusion when it was started, the scope of the company, the nature of their product, and the company branches where they are located, and about the employees, and what type of employees they have, and how much salary they will offer, the qualification required. Before the going to be apply, we have to think about, we have to research about that company. That's important. We should, if you know the something about that company, you can get the advantage in the interview board. Oh, so this person is so much very interested, he wants to do job organization. If you though you have good knowledge, but without knowing about that company, if the interview board asks, tell me something about our company, I don't know your company, just I want job. So though you are talented, you are efficient, but your way of answering, that maybe leads to be a removal of your job. You may not be shortlisted, you may not be going to be selected in the job. That's important. Knowing about the company is very very important. You have to research about that company, whether the when it was started, how their organization. You know something about that company. That is company website. We have to see first of all the company website, their logo, and their everything. You will get in that website. Annual reports also important. The based on the annual reports, their progress, we have to be join that company, whether the company is in a progressive way. For example, I would like to say here, the Reliance Jio, after launching when it was launched, that was in debts. There are many thousands of crores debts the Mukesh Ambani has. But after is promoting his business, when he was success, the many multinational companies are there coming to forward to invest in the Geo network. So how it is possible? So they were created the faith. They have given some service for that purpose. That's why the people are believing it. That's why the companies are believing to invest in that company, to be to make them themselves prosper, and they are to prosper their company also. That's important. Annual reports are very very useful to be do something. The business never business is very very important. Business newspapers and magazines we have to read about that company. Whether if you are going to attend about Mahindra, about they should know, you should know about some of the Mahindra company, when who was launched, who is Anand Mahindra, who is what is Tech Mahindra. That's many there, what type of products they are going to be produced. This is very very important. The company details, company history, you have to research about company. Then very very important, business news papers you have to read, how the company is growing, how that was company product is going, how the company is losing, how the product is losing. So that's very very important. Directly contact the employer, employees is very very important. Next, coming to next point, uh, the thing is, know the company first of all. Without knowing that company, how can you answer? Without knowing that the nature of job, how can you answer? So knowing the company is very very important. Know the company is very very important. Main production, the nature of production. If you went for the software company interview, if you without knowing, if you say your product is good, you are preparing cars, their cars are very good, their quality. If you answer like this, immediately the interviewers or the company feel that the fellow doesn't know anything, just is try to say something, but is that is wrong. But there is a chance to lose job. That's how he doesn't give right service for our company. So they never prefer such a type of candidates. So that's why we have to know the main production of the company, the nature of company, when it was started, where they are located, how many branches it has, how many members are working in. These have to be think of it. Next, annual sales also, annual profits, their dividend, how much dividend they are given for their shareholders, how much annual benefit they have. That's important. Next, competitors also, they have to think about the competitors. The same product will be given for the less cost. I think that company will competition will be creates you. So that's important. Area of operation is very very important. Where you are going to be launched, where your company is was where your company headquarter is located. That's very very important. The competition is common, but we have to fight with our product, with the quality of our product. We have to be uh, um, win the months souls of the people, the souls of the people. The area of operation is very very important. Now, new product, how you are going to be launch a new product, your product nature, and your product how it is efficiently works in the present context. New product is very very important. Service land is also very very important. So next point we are going to be discuss about, during the interview employees evaluate. What they evaluate generally in the interview, what they will evaluate. So what type of things they will going to be assessing in the within short 10 or 15 minutes time. I think the interview may not be conducted in the lengthy time. Those are 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maximum half an hour. Even though even great civil services jobs also, they may assess the persons within half an hour or something. Within they can find the qualities of a candidate, how is a confident, really, whether he can work in a confident way or not. So that's important. So appearing for interview is very very important. Self confidence is very very important. Interpersonal skills also important. Interpersonal skills means like behaving with neighbors and fluency English, listen attentively. These are all the all interpersonal skills. So skills, fluency English, listen attentively, and answer the questions asked by the interviewer. Whatever the questions asked by the interview, you have to be get ready. Be honest. If you in the interview, if we know answer, ask question asked by the interviewer, you have to answer. Or else, if you say answer wrong answer, interviewers they feel, I think you try to manage in your job, but you can't discharge artfully. They feel that. So you have to think of it, whether it is how it is used, self confidence, whether it may use us or not. You should be confident the while appearing for the interview. Interpersonal skills also very important. Fluency of English, listening attentively, answer to the questions asked by the interviewer. These interpersonal skills also very very important. Be honest. The when you are answering, and we don't know the whether the answer certain answers questions or whether answered by the interviewer or not. Next, non-verbal or body language in the interview. We are going to be discuss about non-verbal and body language. So how our body language should be in an interview. That's important. Non-verbal means gestures, postures. Verbal and non-verbal, here I would like to mention. What is the verbal language and what is non-verbal language? The verbal language, it's a medium of communication. Both are the communicative purpose, but the verbal language they use some sort of words and sentences to communicate with the people. So that is the verbal language. They they will think of it, whether the how many persons are there, how they are behaving. They will think of it. The non-verbal body language is very very important. Whether he is suitable or not, they will think. A posture is very very important. Sit erectly. While you are sitting in the chair or somewhere, you sit erect. ఇంటారుగా కూర్చొని ఉండాలి. Sit erect without learning on the desk. ఇట్లా you should not keep your hands on the desk. That's a wrong method. If you went if you go interview for any time, while attending interview, you should not keep on the benches your hands. So that take that precautions to take care about that. You should not support to keep there. Always make eye contact with you you are speaking. If you are speaking with the your teacher, he has to be concentrate with that. If you speaks with someone, the movements are very very important. The facial expression is also important. So speak, but avoid the continuous starting is very very wrong. Don't use too many hand movements. Some people they use many hands movements in a frequent in a short time. They change the facial expressions of the relations. So they are not supposed to be keep the change of facial expressions and not in the relation to words you have expressed. So expression of words you have expressed is very very important. So eye contact also very very important. How you are speaking important. That is these are also important. Next, coming to next point, dress look. What type of dress we have to choose? What we have to wear for your interview? I would like to pose the questions, friends. Which dress you will wear if you have interview tomorrow or day after tomorrow? So generally, I think anticipate some students may use T-shirt and jean pant. So sometimes jean pant and shirt. Some pant with the kurda faisa. Ladies maybe sari or Punjabi dress. These many things are there behind this on this dress code. Dress is very very important. Dress looking very very important. If you dress looking is good, you are recognized by your colleagues and something. Though you are a manager, but your dress is not suitable. If dress was not pressed, it might have tear. I think the team cannot respect him. So dress code is very important. Wear a proper dress. Dress formally and well groomed is very very important. Formal dress is important. Next, you will never get a second change to make a good impression. So once if you create this one impression, but you cannot change the impression on you. Whether if the first impression is the best impression, so that's very very important. So first impression is the best impression. So if you impress the people, audience, you can, your interviewers, you can. So wear the something that make you feel comfortable. That's important. Something that make you feel comfortable. When you feel comfortable, you have to feel. Use simple, uh, use simple accessories. Simple accessories like simple jewelry also. If she one lady or a girl is going to attend an interview, she wore a lot of jewelry in her neck. How does it looks like? If she gets ready for a marriage, like that's not a comfortable. Wear something make you feel comfort, which is but uncomfortable jewelry is very very important. Should not be a pompous. You need not the grab. You need not show your how much jewelry you have to the interview board or someone. So that's not right way. We wear very simple and comfortable jewelry. So that's important first point. Wear something that make you feel comfortable. That's important. So next, use simple accessories like simple jewelry, watches, ties also. Jewelry should not be big, and watch may be this much a big size. If a tie may be a good, that you have to look after for it. The very very important the dress code. Next, use scents, perfumes, and after shave lotions should be avoided. If you are going to be interview, if you use very fragrant and effective and fashionable scent, if you applied for your dress or something, that's not comfortable. That smell, that fragrance may not be uh, interested for your interview board members. That's create a negative impact on you. The fellow is always covers with a perfume. He applies soap for anyone. It doesn't work. They think like that. That's important. Scents you have to perform. Performs also how you are performing this. Next, shaving lotion. How you are shaving, which so should be avoided. So that is very important. Next. Next, I would like to do some dress code. Next, uh, after dress code, expected qualities of the candidates. What are the expected qualities of the candidates in an interview? What they will expect generally from a candidate who are going to be attend interview. So you have to think. Effective verbal communication is very very important. Effective verbal communication is very very important for an interview. If you are not, your verbal communication is not good, I think that leads to be your failure. That is whereby you have to greet the interview board members. Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Good morning, sirs and madams. You have to be thinking, let's convey. Your body language should be in a polite manner. If it is English language without empty influence, that's important. Language, English language, is very very important. Next, natural delivery or fluency is important. How you speak, how your fluency, you according to based on your fluency and delivery, you can present. You should not depend on others to be present. You should not work with the lazy fellows. Your delivery of and fluency is very very important for the English language. Next, natural delivery also over. Next, pronounce sentence clarity is very important. How you are pronouncing a sentence, the pronunciation is very very important. That's also expected quality from the candidates. If you are pronouncing properly, the words or the products they have they made. That's important. The pronunciation is very 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 important for the candidates and those who are going to be uh, contest as candidates. So pronounce sincere, pronounce sentence clearly. They speak a little more loudly. You have to speak in the interview little more loudly to it should be audible for the interview other interview members. So that is very very important. You should be loud. Voice is very very important, and lower your voice is draw the attention of the experts. So it there is an important point in your opinion. So you have to be your voice should be audible loud, should be audible for others, and they have to pay attention to be participate, express their opinion. That's important. Rejected by the committee is also one part we are going to discuss. How they were going to be reject, what they are going to be reject, we have to think of it as vague and irrelevant answers to the questions. If you say the answers that is vague and unclear, but your answers are not irrelevant for the questions asked by the interview board members, that will be rejected. The candidates are going to be reject. Next, fidgy, very fidgy. That's not good. A little eye contact is very very important. The nervous, that leads to nervous of connection. Very little eye contact, but you should not show look at eye to eye in the if any someone comes for the interview. That's not. But very frigidity, a little flexibility is very very important. So mannerism also very very important. Such a playing with hair also important. Mannerism, playing with hair is important. Nail biting also you have to be avoid. So you should not do like this nail biting. So playing with the hair, they're doing like this like this is the wrong method. Concept. Nervousing also is a wrong concept. So lack of sincerity also important. The lack of sincerity of candidates leads to be rejection of by the committee. They maybe he may not be considered for the that job also. That's we have to think of it. The next lack of sincerity and utter superficial remarks to impress the interviewer project work. So here now we will discuss about the do's and don'ts about the interview. Do take a practice run to the location where you are having the interview. So take the little bit of practice when you have and where that location is there. Better to practice well in advance. That is the right way. If presented with a job, If you presented with a job application, do fill it out neatly. If you presented with a job, if you are given, your application will be given neatly, completely, and accurately. What's how their performance is, they have to think neatly, completely, accurately. Next, do bring extra resumes. The bringing many resumes to the interview, that's one part. If they may ask one more time your resume, you have to submit. Next, do greet the interviewer. You have to greet good morning sir, good morning sirs and madams, or good evening, good afternoon madam sirs. This way you have to be greet the interview board members. So that frigidity is not good. Be very very important. Do shake hands firmly. Now the trend is not good, accurating is not supposed to be. Due to corona pandemic disease, nobody is not supposed to be give hand. Simply get a greeting like this, the traditional Hindu mythology, namaste, that is the right method. But in the interview in a western style, that giving firm shake hand, confident shake hand is also, it conveys the confidence of a man, the efficiency of man. Do wait until you are offered a chair before sitting. So some people, they may go for interview, they they take that they sit. That's wrong. You have to wait for a while, the seat is offered by the interview board members. Certainly they offer, but you should have patience. At sometimes they may be busy, they may not maybe may not allow the person sometimes. That's very very important. Being resume is very very important. So we have to wait for some times. Do again, do make good eye contact with your interviewer. How you, those who are asking questions, you have to look at him. That's very very important. That creates a good eye contact. Next, do show enthusiasm in the position. Enthusiasm is very very important in the position of company, to make sure that your good points come across to the interviewer. To make sure that your good points come across to the interviewer in a factual, sincere manner. That's important. The good points come across to the interviewer. What are the good points are there? Factual information is very very important. Do stress your achievement, what you are doing, and how much you are in. That is important. Revising important. Next thing is do's and don'ts. We are going to discuss don'ts. So what are the don'ts are there? Do avoid the conversational topics, unnecessary conversation topics. Have you said, sir? You have ever you dislike, sir? That unnecessary conversational topics you have to avoid. Don't ever lie. Don't say lies in the interview. Answer questions truthfully. Whether if you know, say answer, or else I am sorry, sir, I am not aware of the answer. That's the right way of in the interview. Frankly and sincerely, you have to answer the both. So that's the frankness will be with you forever. Your sincerity will be forever. It makes you to be successful person in your career. So don't say anything negative about former colleges. That's a waste college. That's wrong. About the formal college and the former organization, former colleagues. That's waste fellow. That's a wrong good. That is not a right way. Don't make the unnecessary comment on the previous colleagues and supervisors also. That's waste supervisor. That's this way. This is very very wrong for the employers. So don't compare always. Don't make comment unnecessary adverse comment on supervisors, employees, and colleagues. Next, don't answer questions with a simple yes or no. That is the wrong way of to improve. You have to give the full answer, one sentence, two sentences based on their question, based on the information with you. You have to answer the 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences sometimes. Describe those things. Explain whenever the people is describes those things about yourself, that show your talent. The showcase is like a talent. Next, skills and determination is very very important. That skill and determination. Next, don'ts. Coming to some more don'ts we are going to discuss. Don't inquire about salary. Sir, how much is my salary? how much you are going to salary, when will you give increment, how many vacancies are there, how many vacations days you have vacation you are going to give. This way, when do you give the bonus, how much bonus is there, sir, uh, how many years for retirement, the retirement bonus, how much benefits I will get, the other benefits until after you are received an offer. You are not supposed to be entertained. So don't ask our salaries and vacations, bonus and retirements about that. Should wait for that the NOC given by the board of that particular authorities. Don't bring up or discuss provisional issues or formally problems. Don't say your past history like this. Hence, it is available in the CF itself. So this I have I have done this. Don't say about this in already you are in your CV that will be available. After interview, thank them for the calling you for the interview. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This way, after interview, you have to convey thanks to the interview members, and that's purpose. Let's indicate that you look forward to hear from them. You have to what will happen. That's important. Next, interview questions and something next we will discuss about important things in the next forthcoming lesson, or in the next coming video we will discuss about interview questions, and about your introduction, how you are introduction, and about good ethics, and appeals, and about your job, and what are your strengths and weaknesses also we are going to discuss. What are your weaknesses also going to discuss in the next. So today we have discussed up to we have to be after interview, after interview we were discussed today. Things are first one objectives, and after know about the company, and the inquiring about company, and during interviewing, after employees evaluation, non-verbal language, and dress code and dress looks also in the this one. Next, we are expected qualities of the persons, how we should be, we have to influence, that's important, the qualities we have. Next, rejected committee, the powers of rejected committee, when will they how will they offer seat, how will they decline. Do's and don'ts about these things we were discussed here. Next, after interview, you have to convey thanks, and what are the important technical interview questions, and how you have to introduce, and what you have to do, which job you like, and what appeals you for the job, and what are your strengths and weaknesses, and remaining we were going to discuss in the next class, next video lesson. This is enough for today. Thank you very much for today's class. Thank you.